When you will open the SolidWorks for the first time, then you will see the SolidWorks interface. You can open new SolidWorks document from here or from the shortcut that is Ctrl+N. Left click to select. This is the new SolidWorks document. You can see the three different modules of SolidWorks. This is the part module, this is the assembly module, and this is the drawing module. After selecting the module, click OK to open the module. This is the SolidWorks working interface. Here, we will do all our work. Right now, you can see that Sketch is selected by default. It contains several sketching tools which is used to make 2D sketches. The next option is Features, which is used to convert the 2D sketches into 3D model. It contains lots of tools. Right now, these tools are not active because we haven't drawn any sketch. There are few other options that we will learn in the advanced modules. Go to Sketch. This is the design tree. Whatever work we will do in the working interface, that will appear in the design tree. Design tree also contain 3 default planes. We have to select plane before making any sketch. Go to right plane, then right click and select sketch. Now you can see that the right plane is selected for sketching. We will draw some sketch on this plane. We have drawn this sketch. Now you can see this sketch in design tree.